Hi, this is Lynn, and today we're going to talk about biotech stocks and trading them with level 2. If you're not trading with level 2, it's like trading with your eyes closed. It makes such a difference. I'm planning on teaching you exactly how to use level 2 today, and this is going to be a two-part series. First, I'll cover one or two stocks today, and then another set. They're biotech stocks in these examples because biotech has been really hot right now, so I've been trading them quite a bit. And our first stock is ticker DRMA, and to share a little bit with you about DRMA, we're going to just take a quick 1-minute look at their website, and then we're going to look at a little bit about the ticker. So it's called Dermata, and it's a small company with big ideas. It's a clinical stage biotechnology company founded in late 2014, focused on the treatment of multiple medical and aesthetic skin conditions and diseases with high unmet needs. Now, to just take a quick look at it in FinViz. So I use FinViz to analyze my stocks, and you can see here that it's showing a great big pullback all the way through, which is August 1st. And you can see it does have quite a bit of trading regularly. It's got a very small float, which I love that because it's less than 1 million shares available out there to buy and sell. And so when you have this type of relative volume, which was 19 today, it was trading 19 times its regular volume, it's going to squeeze up. And the volume traded was 22 million shares. You can see here what it did today. It squeezed right up in the morning from 172 up to a high of $2.70. And then kind of pulled back and went back up after hours. But let's look at our example. Let's just dive right in and take a look at trading DRMA and using level 2. So first of all, here we go. An example, we're trading right at the open. I'm going to drag it along to speed it up here and there, but just to explain it to you on the left, you see the level 2. Here you see the bid on the left, $2.80, was right around there, and on the right, it's $2.73, and it's a really tight spread, which I like to trade in. That way you don't have a bunch of slippage when you try to buy in the ask. I like to buy in the ask because when you buy on the ask, it makes a green print, and it's positive for more people to buy the stock. It's always a negative when people buy on the bid. It shows a green print because they're buying at a lower cost. But you can see right now the stock is starting to recover after pulled way back on the open, and you could see a bunch of red prints here, so there's a little bit of a battle still between the buyers and the sellers, but it's struggling to go up, and we've got a price going up here at 282. We've got more green prints showing on the time and sales, and the time and sales show every single sale that goes through. And when you see this number like 4, for example, that's actually 400. You put 2 zeros after it. And on this left 48, that was 4,800, 4,800 shares were up for sale. So you can see the prices going up here, and it's shooting way up on the right. And I'm looking to get into this stock. I prefer to get into it after it clears the 9 EMA, which is yellow, the 20 EMA, which is blue, the 50 EMA, which is the purple, and then the 200, which is really, really important, is my dotted line. And last of all is VWAP, the volume weighted average price. That's really, really important because when it's above VWAP, it shows that it's at a really positive, it's having really positive volume in the stock. And a lot of traders look to clear the 200 as well as to clear the VWAP before really jumping into the stock. But you can see there's quite a bit of more courageous traders in here diving into the stock, but we have quite a bit of pull and push, a lot of green prints there, so that's a very positive. And you can see it's struggling to go up some. Oh, a lot more green prints, and we're whizzing up here, 326. I like to keep my eyes on the ask, 332, more green prints, a little red here and there, as you can see, and on the right, and we're heading toward that VWAP. As soon as it clears that VWAP, then I'm going to look to get into this stock. There's a little bit of a pullback going on here. You can see some red prints, and again on the left, we can see 340, 341, and if you keep an eye on this, you can see exactly how many orders are going through this, pulling pushing the stock upwards versus pulling it back down. So right now it's about to clear VWAP. So I'm looking to dive in here at any minute. Oh, I just made a buy. So I bought it at $3.50. And I put a one lot sale on. One lot can be one share, it can be 100 shares, it can be 2,000 shares or 1,000 shares. And so I looked to clear that, and you can see it was really flashing up, but now it has halted at $3.65. And when it goes up that fast, we have a halt. Now, halts make me a little bit nervous because they could pull back pretty quickly afterwards. They either zoom right up or pull back. So I tend to really keep a close eye on it. So I'm going to drag this forward so we're not sitting here while we have this halt going on. So we're starting up again, and we can see it pulled right back, just like I said it probably would. Right afterwards, a lot of people selling, a lot of people nervous after that halt. And I'm looking to put a sale in here. I actually put a limit sale at first at $3.65. I thought better of it and changed it to $4.80. So I'm looking for it to push back up to $4.80. Lots of red still on the tape. Now we've got some more green coming through. We got a little bit of struggle again. Oh, more green coming through, so that's a really good sign for it to push up. And here we go. We're zooming right up here, and I know my sale hits at any minute in here. And then a bunch of red. As soon as I see a bunch of red like that, I know it's not going to hold very long. And we've seen more red coming through that tape, starting to pull back. And over here, 460, 469, you could see that, or you can see my sale just went through. And shooting star, which is showing that it's going to change its course over on the right. Lots of red prints coming through. So that means you can see it's pulling back. And down here in the volume bars, the volume bar is getting quite large. And I'm looking to see if it's going to keep pulling back. I've got my cursor on the buy just in case it decides to recover, but right now it's looking real red. Lots of red prints, and that red volume bar is getting taller and taller. So we're kind of waiting, and so then we see more red prints, and over here, and you can see, again, there's not big sales of 15, 58 on the buy, and sales, not as many big sales coming through, 18 on the buy, so more people asking to sell. And so there's more red prints coming through, and it's pulling right down. You can see it kind of crashing down over here. I've been analyzing companies and investing for 30 years. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one. I look forward to your thoughts in the comments below. Now go here to see our video on Serve and the big investment that sent that stock soaring upward. Remember that investing and day trading in particular are very risky. Go slow and learn the ropes before jumping in on this one.